Good morning, it's day 10. Happy Wednesday, it is cardio day. On lift days, I always like to get to the gym earlier. On cardio day, I kind of just do cardio whenever I feel like it. So I'm definitely having a bit of a slow morning. I haven't been awake that long just yet, but I'm about to take my coffee on the couch and just do a lot of editing and just chill for a while. However, I ran out of caramel latte protein and I don't really have any other protein that's good in coffee. I tried vanilla ice cream flavor yesterday and I don't know, it just wasn't my favorite. So I'm gonna quickly just have a scoop of protein because I do like to have some protein in my stomach before I have coffee. So I'm literally just gonna have a quick scoop of protein. It's just kind of a good combination, you know, it's what I like to do in the mornings, so. The trifecta: protein, coffee, water. I'm gonna wash my hair today after cardio. So I did my little hair oiling routine, but right away this morning, I wanna get some food started. First up, I wanna make some bread. We bought bacon the other day and I was craving a BLT. That sounded so good. So for dinner later, I'm gonna do a BLT, but I'll probably do like a chicken BLT to increase the protein. And bacon's a lot of fat, chicken is not, so you know, whatever. But we're almost out of bread. We also haven't been eating a lot of bread because it's not very high in protein, which is fine, but I'm gonna make a new loaf in the bread maker. It's actually so easy. I found the recipe on TikTok. I've been meaning to add it to my recipe book, but I just wrote it down. So you literally throw a couple ingredients in there and like hit go. It is the easiest thing. You get fresh bread, it's amazing. I got it from Amazon, I'll link the bread machine. It just feels like such a luxury, and then your house smells so good too while it's making it. And then every day when I pull it out of the fridge, throw it in the air fryer thing to like warm it up, it's just like, it's such a luxury. It feels amazing. Enhances the quality of life. Something else I want to make is an egg salad. I've never made an egg salad before, and I don't know why, but I've just been in the mood for it recently, which is funny because I don't think I've had it since high school. Fun fact, I used to work at the Princeton Club Subway, and the Princeton Club, period. It's a gym slash almost like kind of like a country club. Like it has more than just gym stuff, whatever. But Subway would sometimes have egg salad, and I think that's probably the last time I had it. So I literally also can't tell you the last time I boiled eggs. I had to Google it. I'm like, wait, how do you boil eggs? I don't even know. We're gonna boil some eggs first and then figure out a very easy egg salad. I looked one up on TikTok and it has just a few ingredients, and then I'm gonna use the rest of the green onions that I have been using in the chicken egg roll bowl. One water down. Before 10:30, I think that's the earliest so far in this challenge I've had one water completed. However, obviously I didn't go to the gym yet, so like I've just been sitting here cooking and drinking my water after I finished my coffee. So I've had time to just be, you know, sipping. But we're filling up number 2 already, which is exciting. Cheers. I don't think I let the eggs sit in the pan long enough because 2 of them peeled really easy, but the other 2 peeled like they were kind of sticking to the shell, so I lost some egg white in the mix, which is unfortunate. But I followed a recipe I just looked up on TikTok. We're gonna have this. I'm actually really hungry now, and I want to heat up a bagel to put with it. Gorgeous. I honestly would like this to be a little less liquidy, but hopefully it's good. I like the 2 ingredients, and hopefully they're good together. Honestly, I don't know. But here's breakfast. Let's try it. Not bad, however. I think I will look up a different recipe for next time, which is totally fine. And I'll boil the eggs better next time too. It's about 11 o'clock. I want to get Dunks out for a nice walk, and then after that I think we'll come back and do cardio. It's 50 degrees out. Something I was thinking about this morning and talking to my boyfriend about, I was saying like, I'm so busy these days, not only doing the challenge, but you know, filming everything, editing, uploading, like it is very time consuming, right? Like I will say a lot of work goes into it, okay? I will say. But when it comes time to get into bed at night, I am so tired. Like I fall asleep so quick, and I didn't always used to, and we would always like put a show on before bed. We don't even really do that these days because I'm just so tired. Like we watched Squid Game season 2, and then after that ended, we have not been watching things at night simply because I mean, it's probably better for you, right? Like I know TV before bed isn't ideal, but it is something that keeps me awake because I want to watch what's on. So if we don't have it at all, I just go right to bed. Like I fall asleep so quick. Like yes, my body is like working harder, but also I'm just so busy that I get so tired, which is great though, because then I fall asleep right away, sleep through the night, and then I wake up the next day and I'm like genuinely excited to start the next day, which is also something really exciting. Not only is that awesome for the challenge, but it's also like just telling like, yes, I love doing this so much. So I've really been having so much fun. And yeah, if you need something to help you get to bed, move your body more, practice some more healthy habits, and don't watch TV before bed. I don't know. Those are my top 3 tips. Good boy. Here. Good job. We're walking a different way than usual, which it's good to change it up, but when I go by myself, I kind of like to stick to route. But there was 2 dogs running around like off leash in our area, and I just didn't really want them coming up to us. So I like crossed a busy road, and now we're in a different area. So it's probably for the better. Like I definitely think there were dogs that escaped their yard or something like that. There was no person around. Okay, regarding the dogs outside, if I didn't have Duncan with me and I was like near them, I would try to figure out where they belong and like bring them there somehow. But because I had Duncan, I didn't know if like they were friendly or how Duncan would react because they're off leash and he's on leash. Like I just didn't want to go into that territory. So, but I'm pretty sure they've gotten out before and made it back home. I don't think this is a new thing, so hopefully they're all good. But let's go to the cardio lounge and get this cardio done for the day, and then shower and get this oil out of my hair. Having an oil mask in my hair makes me so much sweatier. That gorgeous golden loaf. I'm gonna leave it in here though, because after it's done cooking, it switches to like keep warm, and I don't want to take it out yet, so I'm gonna leave it in here for a minute. But as I was saying, I had such a good cardio day. I truly do enjoy cardio day, like the 12 through 30. I always do 12 through 30 and then a really long cool down. When you watch the right content, like it just gets you so motivated. Hi, baby. I watched a really awesome like fitness video and I was just feeling like so good, so motivated. I really gotta find a good video or something to just lock in, and then that 12 through 30, Duncan just jumped on the bed, goes by so quick, and it's just so like I enjoy it, you know, like you just gotta find the right thing to watch. Maybe my 75 hard videos, but I don't know, like what you consume, whether it be food or it be social media, whatever, has such a big impact on you. And I have just been so motivated lately, and I like watch this really awesome video and I'm just like feeling really good. I also just get so many ideas and stuff when I'm doing cardio because your endorphins are being released and all this stuff, so I'm just in such a good mood. However, when I was walking to the cardio lounge, I'm like, wow, I can't wait to get this done. Not because I don't want to do cardio, but I was like thinking, I just want to be clean, I want to make a latte, I want to sit down and get a lot of computer work done, and I'm gonna do that soon, which is good. But I had so many thoughts, and I really hope this is all I was thinking and all I wanted to share with you, but I had so many things I wanted to say while I was on the treadmill. If I remember more, I'll chime in. but it was just such a good time out there. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It is perfect, but I'm gonna let it cool down before I cut it into it. I wish you could smell it. Cardio is nice because I was drinking so much water, like I just felt so thirsty in there. So 2 is down before 2 o'clock, which is definitely the earliest I've ever gotten it. And now we are filling up number 3 of 4. It has been a nice and good productive day. I never really like film my computer stuff, but I've gotten a lot checked off my to-do list, which has been really awesome, stuff that I've been avoiding for a while, and I've been on a roll this week, not even gonna lie, but you know what time it is. Let's get Dunks out for his long walk for our long outdoor workout, 45 mins. And then I'm gonna eat dinner, and then I gotta run an errand after that. So, let's do it. It's 60 degrees. It hasn't been this warm in a couple weeks. So, that's a nice treat. It's honestly nice out, like the walk is great, but I'm hungry and I need fuel, therefore I'm kind of tired, and it's just one of those days where I'm like, I want to go home, I don't want to be out here, but we still have 20 minutes to walk, and obviously I'm going to, and I know it's just a walk, like it shouldn't be that hard, but I just want to go home and sit down and eat. So those are my feelings right now, and that's okay. We persevere. I wanted a BLT, but I wanted to increase the protein, so I am doing 1 piece of bread, but we're adding chicken to it. Light mayo to save a little bit of the calories at least. I mean, 2 tablespoons of this is only 35. It's really not that bad, but I think full mayo is like pretty calorie dense. Then we have lettuce, tomato, which a lot of these are bad. And you know, I would expect that from Walmart, but not H-E-B, so that was pretty sad. I threw a lot away, but I saved as much as I could. Chicken that we already had prepped. I just heat it up, and bacon. Another awesome thing about making bread from home is I think the protein content is typically higher because bread flour actually has, you know, a decent amount of protein in it compared to, I feel like, what you would think normal bread that you buy at the store would. It looks so good. I'm definitely gonna have to use like a knife and fork for this, but that's okay. I'm very excited to eat it. It's 6 o'clock. Lately, my nights have just been consisting of like editing and getting work done, whatever, which is not a complaint. Honestly, I've been loving like eating dinner and then rather than sitting in front of the TV, like actually working on stuff. It's been really good. But before I do that, I actually have to run and get 2 of my friend's dogs. They're at like a boarding place and both of them aren't back yet. So I'm gonna go pick them up, and then one of them should be getting back in like an hour. So she's gonna take them both. But let's go get some doggies. Hi, sweet boy. There's 1. And there's 2. My goodness, look at you. Hi. This is Kiko, and that's Queso. Good boys! We got 2 at once. Wow. Good job. Pickup went well. Look at these boys. We're waiting for one of their moms. Wait. Ready? Good job. Yes, yes, good boy. I am home from getting the dogs, and I'm filling up my 4th one. It's just after 7. This is the earliest I have filled up my 4th water bottle, I think, in this challenge so far. I was like conscious of drinking water earlier in the day, like very aware of it, and I think, so I just like made it a priority, but also during cardio and when I was walking outside, I was just so thirsty today. So good for me, I guess. I want a little snack, a little treat, so we are gonna do some dates, peanut butter, and a few chocolate chips, because why not? What shocks me is a serving of dates is 140 calories. Like, I don't know, I just didn't expect that because dates are, what, a fruit? Yeah, they're a fruit. So, I don't know, I just didn't expect it. It's totally fine, but I didn't expect it. I don't know if I want 1 or 2, because to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of dates. I think I'm gonna start with 1, and if I want another, I can always add another, but I'm literally just gonna do a little scoop of peanut butter and some chocolate chips in this bowl, and then I'm gonna melt it. So we have this, throw it in the microwave, mix it up a little. We got that peanut butter chocolate flavor, and I'm literally gonna take the date and just like dunk it right in there. Not bad. I wish I liked dates more because I feel like you can do a lot of variations of a healthy sweet treat. 4 grams of fiber, not bad. You know what that has me thinking about though? I haven't made a Ninja Creamy in a long time. Maybe we should do that. So this chapter was about how to make habits attractive and how our habits are like driven by dopamine and anticipating rewards. It's a good one. A section of it talks about food too and how processed foods give us a lot of dopamine and stuff like that. It is interesting. I was like yawning the whole time. It's about 8:30 right now and I am exhausted. Like, I don't know why, but today is just hitting me hard. Maybe because it's cardio day and I like burned more calories compared to weightlifting day, but man, I'm so tired. However, I really need to journal. I actually haven't, I don't know if you've noticed or not, but I haven't journaled in a while because I had so much stuff on my to-do list that I was not getting done. In my journaling, I'll do like a filming to do, a regular to do, and then I'll do a gratitude and a little manifestation section. And because my to-do list wasn't making any progress, I was like, well, I'm essentially going to copy over the same to-do list like over and over again. So I haven't been journaling. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I've gotten a lot of stuff done off my to-do list. So I'm just going to kind of recopy what's left and reorganize it. And then of course do my gratitude and like little manifestation. I do like to do journaling in the morning, but I also like to do it at night because I can treat it as a brain dump. Like sometimes my mind races so much at night and I'm just thinking about so many things and I need a way to offload. And sometimes that's just like writing things down, whether it's in a journal or if I'm like in bed and I remember something, like I need to write it down. I'll grab my phone and put it in my notes app or whatever. I actually just spent so long on the computer, but like really productive things. I did a lot of editing. I researched and bought a bunch of stuff for, I'm going skiing at the end of this month, which I really am wondering how 75 Hard is gonna play out with that because I, number one, have never peed on an airplane before. I'm scared to go in the airplane bathrooms. Okay, I'm not even scared. I'm more so just like don't want to climb over people if I'm not in the aisle and like don't want to have to wait in line if I don't realize there's someone like, I don't know. I just feel like airplane bathroom etiquette is something I'm unnecessarily avoiding. Like literally, I know it's not a big deal, but like, you know, it's a cool never have I ever, I guess. But I also like, I'm not gonna want to be constantly peeing when I'm skiing. Where do you even pee? Is there like a little house at the bottom of the ski hill? Like I literally don't know. I've never gone. This is my first time. So I just researched and like bought a bunch of stuff for the ski trip, which mind you, wow, is skiing expensive. Again, never done this before, but that is something that's been on my to-do list. So I bought a bunch of stuff, got work done, and I could keep going, honestly. It's 11:07 right now, and I feel like I could just keep going for a long time, but I need to cut it off and go to bed. So I'm feeling prepared and more organized though to like go into the day tomorrow, and I'm ready to like get a lot of stuff done and be productive. So that's good. My video is ready, thumbnail's ready, it's scheduled to go up, everything's good. Let's do face tanning spray. Water is done. I ended the day with 116 grams of protein, which is amazing. Everything else is done. Day 10 is done. Please subscribe if you're following along this journey and you have not yet, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for day 11.